Are you on the hunt for a new phone but feeling a bit overwhelmed by the options out there? Look no further, because today we're diving into the latest release from OnePlus, the OnePlus 11. Many of us are familiar with OnePlus and its reputation for being a bit of an in-between in the smartphone market. Not quite a flagship, but not quite a budget option either. With the release of the OnePlus 11, some may wonder if the brand has lost its way, but I'm here to tell you that this latest offering may just change your mind. Join us as we take a closer look at the design, camera, performance, and more to see if the OnePlus 11 is worth your consideration. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Pineapple. And in this video, we will go through the OnePlus 11. But before we begin, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on amazing and entertaining content. It's clear that OnePlus's current strategy is to position itself as the top performer within the Oppo family of devices, similar to how iQOO positions itself within the Vivo brand. This is evident from the tagline on the box of the OnePlus 11, which emphasizes performance above all Oppo phones. In terms of accessories, this box includes a transparent case, a card pin, some instructions, and stickers. There's also a sticker to prevent UV glue from seeping into the gaps. The box also includes a 100-watt charger and the signature red charging cable that is synonymous with OnePlus. All in all, the package is pretty straightforward, focusing on the performance of the device rather than a plethora of extras. The design of the OnePlus 11 bears a resemblance to the OnePlus 10 Pro, but with a key difference. The square shape has been swapped for a round one. Personally, I can't say whether I think the design is attractive or not, since OnePlus has a habit of sticking to similar designs. One improvement they made is the lens module, which has a smaller mirror finish, making it less prone to collecting fingerprints. The OnePlus 11 screen on paper should be top-notch. With a 2K resolution, high refresh rate, and LTPO technology, it's certainly impressive. The LTPO 3.0 feature in particular is a standout, allowing for real-time adjustments to the refresh rate based on the speed of your finger swipes. Additionally, the screen is designed to minimize color shifting when viewed at an angle. However, the screen does have some drawbacks. For some reason, OnePlus has decided to use the same panel as the Samsung E4 from 2 years ago, resulting in a display that is more power-hungry than the latest E6 panel and has a lower maximum brightness. This can make it difficult to see the screen outdoors in direct sunlight. Additionally, the display doesn't have DC dimming or high-frequency PWM dimming, which can be a concern for some users. 360Hz PWM dimming, which is used in this phone, is considered outdated even 2 years ago. In the end, whether or not the screen is good will depend on what you value most. If resolution, refresh rate, and LTPO are important to you, then it's a great display. But if maximum brightness, power consumption, and good dimming strategy are your priorities, then it may not be the best option. The OnePlus 11 performs on par with other mainstream 8 Gen 2 phones according to benchmark testing, but one area where it falls short is in the CPU throttling. In our testing, the OnePlus 11 was found to be underclocked, which was a bit disappointing. However, it's worth noting that the phone doesn't get particularly hot at this point, reaching only 47 degrees Celsius. It's a shame that the device doesn't live up to its own hype, as the tagline, "Never Settle," had led me to expect top-of-the-line performance. Luckily, the OnePlus 11 has a game frame insertion, which ensures smooth gameplay. Overall, the phone is not a bad performer, but it doesn't quite live up to the high expectations set by its branding. What stood out to me about the OnePlus 11 was not its gaming capabilities, but its photography. I have to admit, if someone had told me last year that a OnePlus phone had an impressive camera, I would have been skeptical. But the camera on the OnePlus 11 truly exceeded my expectations. The sensors in all three cameras are top-notch, resulting in stunning pictures, no matter what lens or lighting condition you're shooting in. The colors are vibrant, but not overly so, and it does a great job of capturing the ambiance of the scene. The dynamic range is excellent, and the balance of clarity and sharpening effects is spot on. Even the auto mode and night mode produce similar results, making it easy to capture great night photos. The ultra-wide camera is equally as impressive as the main camera in most situations. Unless you're zoomed in to the point of distortion, the image quality is comparable to the main camera. Plus, the purple fringing issue that can plague some cameras is almost non-existent on the OnePlus 11, even better than the Xiaomi 13. The autofocus feature also allows for great macro photography, although it's not specifically designed for that purpose. The main camera supports 8K 24 FPS, the ultra-wide camera 4K 30 FPS, and the telephoto 1080p 30 FPS. The main camera and ultra-wide camera are on par with flagship phones. However, the telephoto lens is limited by resolution and doesn't appear as clear as the other two cameras. The front camera also delivers good image quality, but it does not support 4K and 60 FPS. Overall, the camera on the OnePlus 11 is truly impressive, and I was really impressed by its performance. The OnePlus 11 may not boast the highest charging power, but its 100-watt capability is more than enough for most users. With a quick charge time of only 5 minutes for 28% and a full charge in just 25 minutes, it's on par with the iQOO 11's 120-watt charging. Unfortunately, the phone does not feature wireless charging. The battery life is also comparable to the iQOO 11, making it a solid option for an 8 Gen 2 phone. In conclusion, the OnePlus 11 is a solid phone that offers a great balance of performance, camera quality, and design. While it may not be a true flagship, it is a great option for those looking for a phone that offers flagship-level features without the flagship price tag. If you are in the market for a new phone, I highly recommend considering the OnePlus 11. But don't take my word for it, try it yourself. It's available now, and if you want to know more about this phone and other tech reviews, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.